This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Wyoming is one of the best states to form an LLC. In this video, I'll show you 5 genius hacks, not basic tips, that can save you hours, money, and frustration when forming your LLC and getting your EIN. Let's get to it. Hack 1. Use online expedited filing, which is Wyoming's hidden gem. Here's a pro tip. Wyoming is one of the few states where you can form an LLC online and get instant approval. No waiting 2 weeks. Just go to wyobiz.wyo.gov, create an account, and file your articles of organization. It's just $100. Mail filings can't be expedited at all in Wyoming, but online, practically instant. Don't waste your time or risk manual processing delays. Want to go faster? Here's the hack. File your LLC at night or early morning. Their automated system is quieter, which helps avoid delays or errors due to system load. You'll often get confirmation within minutes. Hack 2. Lock your business name without filing the LLC yet. Not ready to file yet, but want to protect your brand name? You can reserve your LLC name with the Wyoming Secretary of State for 120 days for just $60. That gives you 4 months of breathing room to build your site, get partners, or prep your product. Run your name through the Wyoming Business Entity Search before reserving it. If the name is remotely similar to another business, it'll get rejected. Wyoming law requires LLC names to be distinguishable upon the records. That means even a plural or added "the" won't cut it. Hack 3. Hire a pro-registered agent. It's legally required under Wyoming law. Every LLC must have a registered agent with a physical address. No P.O. boxes allowed. And if you don't live in Wyoming, you'll need to hire one. Period. Here's the real value. A good agent for your LLC will also scan your mail, notify you of legal deadlines, and help you stay compliant year-round, way beyond just fulfilling a legal requirement. Hack 4. EIN in 15 minutes. No CPA, no delay. You do not need to pay anyone to get your EIN. The IRS provides a free online EIN assistant, and if you're a single-member LLC or partnership, you'll get it in minutes. Visit irs.gov/EIN, apply between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern, and you'll have your number before you finish your coffee. Hack 5. Use a professional company like Bizee, formerly InkFile, to handle everything for you. Here's the real shortcut. Let a formation company like Bizee, formerly InkFile, handle the entire process. Why Bizee? They'll form your Wyoming LLC for $0 plus state fees. That includes the articles of organization and even your EIN, all done for you. They also include a free year of registered agent service, which would otherwise cost you $100 plus. After that, it renews annually, but you can switch if needed. Total time saved, at least 3 to 5 hours of paperwork and legal guesswork. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. You can start the formation process immediately, but first let me show you the package that Bizee offers. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for its service, which no other company offers. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that you have to pay the state fee. The state fee is what Wyoming charges for opening an LLC, which is $104. Bizee is not making any income from this fee. It goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. To see the full comparison, select the entity type and choose the state. Each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The basic package is the most affordable option. Bizee charges $0 for their service in this package. You only need to pay the $104 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the articles of organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Bizee does. Next is the standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the standard package, plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. The standard package includes everything you need to legally launch a business. This is the package I strongly suggest for the majority of business owners as it covers all that is necessary. And that's it. Those are your 5 genius hacks to get your LLC and EIN crazy fast in Wyoming. Let's recap. 1. File online at the right time. 2. Lock in your business name. 3. Choose a pro-registered agent. 4. Get your EIN directly from the IRS. 5. Let Bizee handle it all if you want hands-off ease. Starting a business doesn't have to be stressful, especially if you use these 5 hacks to get it done fast and smart. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.